This is the year the gray box finally dies. For over a decade, house flippers have relied on the same safe formula of gray floors, white walls, and subway tile. But in 2026, that look screams outdated. Buyers today are demanding something richer, warmer, and far more sophisticated, even at an entry-level price point. The secret isn't spending more money, but knowing exactly where to spend it. We are detailing the specific, high-return design trends professional flippers are using right now to add massive perceived value on a budget. From the new neutral that replaces gray to the $50 paint trick that changes your hallway, these are the upgrades you need to adapt in your own home immediately. The era of the sterile, cool gray wall is officially over. In 2026, professional flippers have aggressively pivoted to warm minimalism. If you walk into a newly renovated high-end flip today, you won't see cold, blue undertone grays, but instead you will see Griege, taupe, and creamy beige. Colors like Sherwin-Williams Universal Khaki or Accessible Beige are the new standard, because they make spaces feel inviting rather than clinical. This shift is psychological because buyers want homes that feel like sanctuaries, not showrooms. For a homeowner, this is the cheapest, high-impact update you can make. Repainting a room in a rich, warm neutral immediately modernizes it, making your furniture look more expensive and your lighting feel softer. It costs the same as gray paint, but the return on investment is much higher. Flooring consumes a huge chunk of any renovation budget, and for years, cheap laminate was the enemy. But luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, has evolved. The trend for 2026 isn't just using LVP, it is using the right kind. Flippers are strictly installing wide plank matte finish styles in European white oak or warm honey tones. The high gloss, dark cherry, or narrow gray planks are dead giveaways of a budget remodel. The new generation of LVP features embossed-in register texture, meaning the grain you feel matches the image you see. It is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and far cheaper than hardwood. By running these wide, warm planks continuously through the house without transition strips between rooms, you create an optical illusion of expansive square footage that appraisers and buyers absolutely love. Here is a secret weapon that costs almost nothing but completely changes a hallway's character. Standard white interior doors disappear into the background, but in 2026, designers are painting them black, graphite, or deep charcoal. This trend, known as high-contrast joinery, anchors a space and adds instant architectural weight. You don't need to replace your cheap hollow-core doors to get this look, since a coat of matte black paint like tricorn black or iron ore improves them immediately. When you pair a dark door with the warm beige walls we discussed earlier, the home feels custom-designed rather than builder-grade. It is a bold move that signals confidence to a buyer, turning a forgotten functional element into a major design feature. The all-white, high-gloss kitchen is fading out. The biggest shift in 2026 flipping strategies is the move toward quiet luxury in the kitchen, often called the unkitchen look. This means cabinetry painted in mushroom, putty, or cream tones rather than stark white. If you are updating on a budget, do not rip out your boxes. Simply paint the doors a warm neutral and swap the hardware. The goal is to make the kitchen feel like a furnished room. We are also seeing a massive surge in beverage stations or coffee nooks located away from the main cooking triangle. By repurposing a small section of counter space for a dedicated coffee or wine bar, you add a lifestyle feature that buyers mentally overvalue, even though it costs you $0 extra to create. If the kitchen is the outfit, hardware is the jewelry. And in 2026, the metal of choice is warm and brushed. While matte black had its moment, we are seeing a strong pivot toward brushed brass, champagne bronze, and unlacquered gold. This doesn't mean the shiny yellow brass from the 1990s, as these new finishes are subtle and sophisticated. Swapping out generic chrome pulls for weighty, brushed gold handles is one of the fastest ways to increase perceived value. Flippers often mix metals now by using black faucets with gold cabinet pulls to create a curated, collected look. It prevents the room from feeling too matchy-matchy and adds a layer of design complexity that suggests a professional was involved, even if you just bought the multi-pack online. Bathrooms sell homes, but full remodels are expensive. The 2026 solution is the Spa Vanity Rehab. Instead of buying a cheap particle board vanity from a big box store, smart renovators are keeping older, solid wood cabinets and giving them a facelift. The trend is natural wood tones, like stripping paint to reveal white oak or walnut, or painting them deep, moody greens and navies. Pair this with a clean white quartz top and a vessel sink or undermount basin. This combination mimics high-end furniture. The key detail for 2026 is the floating look, where wall-mounted vanities open up floor space and make small bathrooms feel surprisingly large and premium. Lighting fixtures are the first thing to date a house. The flush mount boob light is the hallmark of a rental, and in 2026, replacing them is non-negotiable. The trend is moved toward sculptural lighting, which are fixtures that act as art pieces. We are seeing oversized pendants in woven materials, rattan, or linen that add texture to the ceiling. In bathrooms, the standard bar light above the mirror is being replaced by side sconces, which provide better lighting for faces and look far more expensive. You can find these fixtures for under $50, but the impact they have on a room's vibe is worth hundreds. It signals that every detail was considered, removing the builder-grade stigma instantly. First impressions are financial. The 2026 data on curb appeal points to one clear trend known as the expressive entrance. Buyers are tired of safe, boring front doors. The highest ROI move right now is painting your front door a shade that contrasts with the house but feels organic, such as terracotta, slate blue, or a rich cedar stain. But the real secret is the container garden hack. Instead of spending thousands on landscaping, flippers are using oversized modern planters flanking the door. These large-scale pots create a sense of grandeur and architecture without planting a single tree. Fill them with low-maintenance sculptural plants like snake plants or ornamental grasses. It frames the entry and tells the buyer the home is well-maintained before they even unlock the door. We have reached peak clutter fatigue. Homeowners have too many gadgets like air fryers, blenders, and espresso machines, but nowhere to put them. The solution dominating 2026 design is the appliance garage, or the working pantry. In a flip, this often means converting a standard closet into a pantry with sturdy, deep shelving and, most importantly, an electrical outlet. This allows the toaster and coffee maker to live inside the pantry, keeping the main kitchen counters pristine. If you can't build a walk-in, a countertop cabinet with a lift-up door serves the same purpose. This specific feature triggers a massive "I need this" response from buyers who fantasize about living an organized, clutter-free life. It turns a storage space into a lifestyle solution. Flat paint is fine, but texture is luxury. A massive trend for 2026 is the return of tactile wall surfaces, specifically limewash and Roman clay. This finish gives walls a velvety, cloudy movement that feels ancient and modern simultaneously. While hiring a plaster artisan is expensive, applying a limewash paint is a manageable DIY project that costs only slightly more than standard latex paint. Flippers use this in powder rooms, accent walls, or fireplace surrounds to create a focal point that feels incredibly high-end. It stops the white box feeling dead in its tracks. In a market flooded with smooth drywall, a room with visual texture stands out as a custom designer space. 10 years ago, smart homes were a novelty. In 2026, they are a baseline expectation. You do not need to wire the whole house for sound, but there is a holy trinity of smart tech that flippers install to signal a home is modern, consisting of a smart thermostat, a video doorbell, and a smart lock. For under $500 total, these three devices change the buyer's psychology. They signal that the home's infrastructure is current. A video doorbell implies security, while a smart thermostat implies energy efficiency. Leaving an old, yellowing circular thermostat on the wall is a red flag that screams deferred maintenance. Swap these basics out, and you check the modern box on the buyer's mental checklist instantly. With housing prices high, buyers are looking for every inch of usable living space, and that includes the backyard. The 2026 trend is the outdoor room, a defined area for entertaining that feels like an extension of the house. You don't need to pour a $10,000 concrete slab. Flippers are creating budget patios using crushed gravel or pea stone contained by simple metal edging. Add a fire pit, some string lights on poles, and sturdy outdoor furniture, and you have created a second living room for a weekend's worth of work. This visual definition turns a patchy patch of grass into a valuable amenity. It helps buyers visualize hosting friends, which is one of the strongest emotional hooks in real estate. Nothing says cheap flip faster than that single white wire shelf in the master closet. It is functional, sure, but it feels temporary. The trend now is boutique storage. You don't need custom carpentry since basic melamine closet systems from big box stores or even IKEA hacks can replicate the look of a custom walk-in. The goal is to provide double hanging rods, some shelves for shoes, and maybe a drawer unit. By ripping out the wire rack and installing a proper system, you are telling the buyer the home is move-in ready and they won't have to fix this later. In the master bedrooms specifically, this upgrade offers one of the highest satisfaction returns for the lowest effort. Tile can be expensive, but you don't need acres of it to make a statement. The 2026 approach is the micro-luxury moment. This means using a standard, affordable tile like a white subway tile, but installing it in a fresh pattern, such as a vertical stack or a herringbone layout. Then, splurge on a small amount of high-end, textured tile for a niche, a backsplash behind the vanity, or a fireplace hearth. Zellige-style tiles, with their imperfect, handmade glazed surface, are huge right now. Because you only need a few square feet for a backsplash, you can afford the expensive stuff. This mix of budget field tile and luxury accent tile tricks the eye into thinking the entire bathroom finish is premium. Finally, let's talk about trim. For years, elaborate, curvy molding was the sign of quality. Today, simplicity rules. The 2026 trend is flat stock, square-edge baseboards and casing. It is cleaner, collects less dust, and looks much more modern than the traditional colonial curves found in older homes. This is often cheaper to buy than the decorative stuff and easier to install because the cuts are simpler. When you combine fresh, flat stock trim with that warm, grayish wall color and matte black door, the entire house tightens up visually. It removes the visual noise of the past decades and provides that crisp, clean canvas that every buyer is desperately looking for. The difference between a home that sits on the market and one that starts a bidding war isn't always about the budget. It is about the choices. By swapping cool gray for warm taupe, choosing matte textures over gloss, and focusing on high-touch updates like hardware and lighting, you create perceived value that far exceeds the cost. These trends work because they solve modern problems regarding clutter, lighting, and the need for a sanctuary. If you want to keep discovering smart ways to build equity in your home, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.